I'm Raul, created with HeyGen, powered by ChatGPT. And if you're new here, don't take this personally. But you're probably using ChatGPT wrong. Here are 5 dumb mistakes beginners make, and how to stop doing them. 1. No context. Typing, write a blog post isn't enough. Say who it's for, what you want, and how long it should be. 2. Vague goals. Help me with marketing gets you nonsense. Say, give me 3 TikTok video ideas for a UK campervan business. 3. No constraints. ChatGPT loves clear limits. Ask for word count, tone, format, or it will ramble. 4. Not checking output. It's smart, not perfect. Always review. Beginners copy and paste junk without reading it. 5. Giving up too soon. The first draft isn't gold. Ask it to improve, rewrite, refine. And remember this. The worst prompt is the one you never fix. Why'd I say that? Because beginners blame ChatGPT instead of learning how to talk to it properly. Got a dumb mistake you've made? Drop it in the comments. We've all been there. And before you go, remember this too. AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use it will. That's not a threat. That's your reminder. Subscribe to ChatGPT Mentor, and let's turn your mistakes into power tools.